Hey everyone, hey, this is Mike again with Countdown Garage. Hey, I'm here with another good video, another free trick you can change with VCDS. This one's going to be remote controlled window roll up and roll down. So follow along with me if you want, and we'll walk through this. Again, disclaimer, just like the last video, if you click on something you shouldn't and you do something you shouldn't have, it's not my fault. But anyway, let's go ahead and walk through this. So first things first, connect your VCDS cable and plug it into your computer. I've got my laptop with VCDS loaded up right here in the passenger seat. Next thing is grab your key and turn the car on so the ignition is on. And if you saw that little needle sweep, look for the previous video where I told you how to enable that feature as well. So in this one, we're going to go again into VCDS, and we're going to go to the control module. The specific control module we're going to go into is 9, Central Electronics. Going to go into that module, and once it loads up, make sure first of all that you don't have any codes within the module. That does help. Next thing is we're going to go into coding. So a little bit different than the last video. This is what's called long coding, and it configures essentially all the features in the car, in the ECU. So in this one, you're going to see a bunch of stuff in here. Skip down to line number 3, and you're going to click on, let's see, byte 3, which is the 1A byte. Now go into bit. It'll list the bit 0 to 7 because there's 8 bits in a byte. 0 to 7 is 8 bits. You're going to turn on bit 5, which says comfort operation via remote control active. Right now it is inactive because it's unchecked. So I'm going to go ahead and check it. And then that's it. That's all you have to do. Click exit. And your current coding and new coding will be listed right here. When you're ready to do it, hit the Do It button, and it will run the recode. If coding is accepted and everything's good, you'll get a coding accepted alert, and it'll say OK. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Also, another little bonus item. If you want your sunroof to close with this as well, or open, I guess. The close is already activated in my car. If you want it to open, bit 0 is the comfort opening for the sliding roof, moonroof, sunroof, whatever. If you click that button, it will also open the sunroof when you unlock and hold. Close VCDS, get out all modules, and I will show you an example. Grab your key, and let's check this out. So when you're outside of the vehicle, what you're going to do is you're going to take your remote, and the first things first, you can lock it and hold it. All your windows, if they're down, should roll up. Now to unlock it, hit unlock and hold, and all the windows will roll down. Here's an example of the setting that we changed with the sunroof to open, also with unlock. You'll see the sunroof also tilts up. And now to close it, same thing again. Click lock, hold it. All the windows will roll up. Thanks again everybody for watching the video. If you like the content, please give it a like. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then also check me out on other social media, Countdown Garage. And then also, if you want to throw comments or questions down in the comments section below, that'd be great to have a discussion, find out if you have any questions, and I'd like to find out if anybody else has done this. Thanks guys. Thanks again. Have a great night.